guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing a review for a Domiso Amazon wig review. Yes, this wig was just so perfect, so soft, so luxurious. The lace was so easy to work with. It wasn't really much to do. This is me getting my hair braided. You know, I'm going to leave my stylist that did my hair down below. So happy, such a good time, so professional. He definitely installed this wig like he was supposed to. This wig was already plucked by him, customized by him, also bleached, the knots by him. So all of these steps were already done by him before my appointment, thank God. Not that the wig really needed much maintenance on it, but he definitely went in and made sure that it was going to be slayed to the T. Practically on my knees, but you know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets, acting on NFB. One thing you got to make sure you keep handy when you're doing your wigs is a hot comb. I need to invest in another one because mine has broke. So I'm so glad he was able to do my hair and just slay me, because I just couldn't have done it by myself. But definitely get you a hot comb, girl. Make sure you get that got to be glue, and that's all you need really. I don't like leaving my lace on for too long, so we only did like maybe 1 to 2 layers of glue, and then I'll probably be taking it off in about a day or 2 just to my liking. I did fall asleep in this wig and it was super comfortable. Usually when I do my wigs, I don't sleep comfortable in it, but he got me right and tight, and it wasn't tight to where it was too much to bear during my resting hours. He did it just enough to where I was comfortable falling asleep and had a scarf on and my bonnet, and yeah, slept comfortably. I like my baby hairs pretty light. I don't really like to do like really thick baby hairs, so this is just me getting my baby hairs out of the way, just to melt that lace down so that when we take that off, we are able to lay the baby hairs where we want them to lay. Some type of way, ain't used to feeling this way. I do not know what to say, but I know I shouldn't think about it. So one back and look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away, but you know. This hair is so soft and pretty. I'm in love. And the lace is not bad at all. Okay. Cute. Cute. Love this hair. This is a 24-inch. I am 5'6". So, and then I cut the tips a little bit, but you know. Let me show you the back. Make sure I brush my hair. Honestly, I just straighten it with some heat protector. This right here. Yeah, this right here. I'll leave it down below. Use that. Spray a little bit. Brush it out. I need to comb this hair and see what it's looking like. I mean, comb it. I need to curl this hair and see what it's looking like. Well, right now, this straight bust down middle part is giving. The link to this wig will be down below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.